Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my channel. So I'm just popping in really quick to make this intro since this video had no intro at all and just kind of went straight into it. So for this video, I just did a little vlog from a car meet I went to maybe a week or two ago. Yeah, so I just thought I'd pop in and say hi and that I hope you guys enjoy the video. We just got here. Say hi. Over there.
Made it safe.
I feel like that got worse. Oh my god, look at this now. This way got way bigger.
Bro, that's small shit.
Now it's fat. That's so annoying.
This was the other one.
What happened to your lip?
I was telling you, I
Cinemark.
know a lot of people that have. Hello.
Who are you? My car's broken. This is your car for today.
I wish. Just kidding. I don't drive trash.
How do you feel about that? You just said he doesn't drive trash.
I'm kidding, bro. Your car's way
like
nicer.
a monster truck.
Ah, he got
I have a monster truck.
7 centimeters lower than me. Get the watches, bro.
Is that a tractor?
Dude,
Everyone's vlogging.
Why are you
Vlogception.
disrespecting
That's a
muscle
tractor.
cars like that.
What is
bro?
that? What is that then?
That's a muscle car.
It's a
Chevy.
Camaro, that says.
It's still a muscle car. I was not wrong. It's a muscle car.
You're a muscle car. Look at this.
Oh, big body, bro. I'm losing weight, bro. I just run. I'm not fucking lazy.
Oh, soccer?
Yeah.
This is so sad.
Cardio.
What's cracking? What's popping? That's the home.
That's a homegirl.
The homegirl. Alex. That's her.
Don't show me.
FRS.
Frilskis.
Bro, who? Yeah, I didn't.
What happened to your car? Tell the vlog.
Yeah, hold on. So, you want me to like be honest with you?
Yeah.
Yeah,
So,
keep it real.
my uncle died. Dad died died a while back ago. So
Yeah.
every year on his birthday, we go to a cemetery to spend time with him.
Do you want me to record this? Or put it
Well, it's
away?
not bad.
I feel bad.
No.
Nah,
He told me it was his dad's birthday.
So,
I remember.
So on his dad's birthday, we go to the cemetery to celebrate his birthday. And I was like, cause I've never had a dad, so like he was like my dad to me.
Yeah.
Because he would always call me at night and tell me how much he loved me, and then he's paid for all my, so like when I would go to school, he would pay for my stuff. And so then I was driving on the 10 freeway, like I was already sad because it's his birthday, and like the fact that I'm never gonna see him ever again.
You were kind of out of it.
Yeah, I was on 10 going east, and then all of a sudden, like I just see like a white Kia swerve, bro. I wasn't even going fast. I just see that swerve, and I just seen a tire.
You didn't have any time?
I was scared because I was thinking like, what if it hits Jeanette, bro? Like she could die. It was a tire.
Oh, she was there too.
And I froze, and like it was like instant tire hit me. It went underneath my car. I lost control for a little bit. I couldn't control it, bro. And all of a sudden, like I just like hear my car go bah, and I hear the tire fly out. So like my first instinct was like, okay, like I'm gonna get off because like what if one of my control arms or something I could swerve on like. So I got off and saw my car was all broken. I was like, damn, I cried a little bit. Not gonna lie, shed a tear.
Pour one for the dead Frilskis.
Yeah. So, but I already talked to my insurance. They're gonna cover everything. So,
Hey, that's good.
I know.
I'm probably
What
gonna
kind of
get
insurance do you have so I can switch?
Progressive.
Oh, I don't even know what that is.
What do you have?
They're out.
That guy has a goal.
What the?
Why does he have a goat with him? I'm dead. He doesn't want to walk.
Yo, can I pet it? For real?
It's a whole portable petting zoo.
Wait, I want to pet him.
Go. Do you have a name for it?
Macchiato. Macchiato.
Hey, he looks like a macchiato.
Let's go, Macchiato.
Hey, Macchiato.
Dang, he's shy.
It's in Fast and Furious, bro. Leave me alone. Yeah, they want to go back to Fast and Furious.
We're looking.
The pink
We're
seat.
talking.
You see how clean it is? Or come down to 24 hours.
Oh.
Man, Mustangs are kind of nice, bro.
Oh, Alex is here. We can pop in his truck and roll around recording. We can hop in the bed of your truck and roll around recording everybody.
What's up? Dude, you're gonna be in my video.
Where's the parking at? Where would I go to park at?
I have no clue. I parked over here, but I don't think there's any. Got the other Alex.
Yeah, I was. I finally found parking.
That one.
It looks so
It just looks so happy. It's like a little puppy.
What?
The goat's back. Yeah. Ran over.
That wing looks spicy.
I smell hot dogs wrapped in bacon.
Bacon wrapped hot dogs.
I wouldn't know.
Go try one.
That's why our friendship has a dangling like thing going.
No, he gave me the whole talk about
I'm
this.
trying to give him
He
bacon.
knows,
But
and he still does that. Dude, I feel like you just took off. Like,
I don't even know.
it feels like a heater.
I know. It's really great.
Like a gang.
No, this is Alex. This is Alex. Damn, he got in trouble.
Introduce yourself.
me and my broken arm, man, say what's up.
He drives a manual with that.
Like that.
Drives manual
all the
with
way
his
to the
broken arm.
front, bro.
Oh, there's cops. More cops.
think he has options.
Thoughts on the meat? Thoughts on the meat?
It was kind of scary because the airplane was scary, bro. Imagine like having
Your
bro.
name?
I'd go home, go to bed.
Dude, no, they're probably gonna be waiting at his house.
I'd go home, go to bed, pretend it was a dream, wake up, like, what happened?
Be like, that wasn't me.
Try to sing away.
What? It's so forward?
Yeah.
It's fine. Kevin's driving my car because he misses driving his car.
I was trying to put it in neutral.
I tried that yesterday.
I trust people driving my car. It's cool. It's cool.
Inside you're dying.
Nah, I don't care that much.
Why do I keep trying to put it in neutral?
He keeps trying to put my automatic car in neutral.
Hey, when we hop on the freeway, get to the passenger side so she can record it.
This is Command Tower to Base Tower.
Yes, sir. I hear you.
Roger, which town are we going to be going to?
We're going to the one on Riverside Avenue, taking the 210 freeway.
Here's Milan.
Is that the new Alex Lopez?
I don't care that you broke your elbow. I said it.
I can still see it. It looks, you can see everything though.
Oh.
It's
Hey, you never sent me the link. That's messed up.
For what? Oh, bye.
How you turn it on? It's on. It did. Can you hear me? No, I can't hear you.
I need a fourth brake light.
I hit it too hard, and this thing like twists on the freeway, and it's crashed like.
Which one do you have?
What?
What like tow
It's
license?
Perrin. What do you have?
I got one from Amazon. I bet you it's gonna be better. And I'm being a hater.
On my license plate, relocator. Out of everything, just a relocator.
I haven't put mine on. I've had it for like 2 weeks now. Okay. We got our in and out. It's not for
Bro, can you help me focus
YouTube?
at all?
Yeah.
I don't know what I did.
Do it.
We are here just, hydrating
Vlogging
ourselves.
with like Alex FRS. FRS Alex. Alex FRS.
Alex FRS. Wait.
Alex FRS.
Yeah.
Ariana Grande.
Ariana Grande.
I drive a Hyundai.
Made a meal.
Yes, sir. Made a meal.
We're at in it now.
Not yet, but hey, we on track.
Chilling with
Everyone.
Hey, why don't we all just walk in?
We could all-
Yeah, we're all gonna
We could all be doing our thing, like walking around and stuff,
We're gonna be walking in.
and then
walk in,
Wait,
and then we
are
all
we
look
gonna-
at the camera
are
and
we gonna,
start
like,
doing
do the
it.
thing? Wait, are we
we
gonna
gonna
like
hold
hold
on
each
and
other?
go
So then go.
You just walk by like
3,
this.
go. Walk by.